Hello everyone, I'm here again with my new video. So today I want to practice on some situations I will give to myself and I speak on that. I know I do mistakes because I am also a beginner and I am also in a learning phase. So just avoid some mistakes and if there is a mistake, and you can also say to me in comment sections, and you also can practice on these situations. So आज मैं मार्केट जा रही थी और मेरा फोन गिर गया. This is the situation. I have to speak on that. Okay. So today I was going to market and my phone suddenly fell down and I was shocked because the phone is the only thing for me. Because of those I was doing many things and I was working on that. I was designing by that. I was learning by that. So the phone when falling down, I was shocked and I started crying a lot. And then I was thinking, then how can I say to my parents that my phone is broke and my phone is totally destroyed by myself, and because because the condition of my family is not in that circumstances they can give me another phone to me. So I was shocked, and then then the people come to make me calm and consoled me, but at that moment I was not listening anybody. I was kept crying, and then after some time I made myself calm and I went to my home. I told everything. I narrated whole the story to my parents. That's it. Okay, so let's take some another situation. So जब मैं आज बाहर जा रही थी तो टुडे जब मैं आज जा रही थी NSP, तो मैं अपनी दोस्त से मिली. So when today I was going to the market, and today I was going to the NSP for some work, but suddenly I met my friend and I was shocked because she is my college friend and I have seen her after a long time, and that is the reason I was shocked. And I smile and I laughing also, and I went into the nostalgia, and then I realized that no, this is the true. And then I went to her and I talked to her and I called him, and he said to me, "Oh Suman, you are there." And then she also realized that we haven't met for a long time, and then we talked a lot. Then we ate on metro station and we ate momos, and because whenever I used to go to college, we used to eat momos always. So that is the reason we ate momos on NSP. And after talking a lot, she went from there, and I came to my home, and we clicked lots of picture over there, and I saved those memory for my future. So that's it. Let's take some another situation. मैंने आज एक कुत्ते को देखा, and let's make sentences. Okay, so today I saw a dog, and that dog was very cute. And after saw him, I suddenly thought that can I took to him our home, but then I thought that nobody is live at my home, and then who can take care of his. So that's why I didn't take that to my home. But I really wanted, because the dog is very cute, and I also listened a lot that dog, and the dog is very honest to their honor. That's why. And so that's it. So let's practice something else. मुझे घूमना चाहिए, आई शुड वंडर. मुझे जाना चाहिए, आई शुड गो देयर. मैं आया था पर तुम घर पर नहीं थे. आई केम टू योर होम बट यू वर नॉट एट होम. तुम कहाँ गए थे, तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे, तुम वेयर वर यू गोइंग, एंड विद होम वर यू टॉकिंग. तुम मेरे फ़ोन से क्या कर रहे थे, वट वर यू डूइंग टू माई फ़ोन. मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, आई एम हियर. तुम क्या कर रहे हो, वट आर यू डूइंग. मुझे यहाँ जाना था पर मैं नहीं जा पाया. आई हैड टू गो देयर बट आई डिडंट गो देयर. आई कुडंट गो देयर. क्या तुम आ सकते हो, क्योंकि मुझे तुमसे कुछ बात करनी है. कैन यू कम टू हियर बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक. तुम क्या जानना चाहते हो, तुम कौन सी बुक से कि पोइट्री पढ़ना चाहते हो. बाय विच वन बुक डू यू वॉन्ट टू रीड पोइट्री. तुम किस तरीके की बिहेवियर को पसंद नहीं करते? विच टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर डू यू नॉट लाइक? क्या तुम मेरी तरह बैग लेना चाहोगे? वुड यू लाइक टू टेक अ बैग लाइक मी? मैं जितना कम बोलती हूँ वो उतना ही ज़्यादा बोलती है. That is the wrong. She speak more than me because she is a talkative girl. That's why. मैं कल हम दोनों मिलकर घर की सफाई कर देंगे. वी कैन क्लीन आवर होम. वी विल क्लीन आवर होम टुमारो विद टुगेदर. मैं इस फ़ोन से यह वीडियो बना रही हूँ तो मैं दूसरा फ़ोन कहाँ से लाऊँ? आई एम मेकिंग वीडियो फ्रॉम दिस फोन, सो हाउ कैन आई गिव टू यू अनदर फोन? आई हैव ओनली वन फोन. तो तुम कब तक मुझे मेरी बुक वापस कर दोगे? Until when will you give me my book? Will you return my book? क्या तुम मेरे लिए कोई नई बुक ला सकते हो? Can you take a new book for me? मैं ला तो सकता था बट मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. I could take a book for you but I don't have money. क्या तुम कल से पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करोगे? Will you start studying from tomorrow? हाँ, मैं करूँगा अगर तुम मुझे पढ़ाओगी. Yes, I will start if you teach me. ओके, मैं कल से तुम्हें पढ़ाना शुरू करूंगी और तुम्हें ध्यान देना होगा. I started teaching you from tomorrow. I will start teaching you from tomorrow, but you have to focus on study. क्या तुम मेरे कपड़े इस्त्री कर दोगे? मुझे लेट हो रहा है. Will you press my dresses because I am getting late. That's it, and this is whole video, and I know I did little bit mistake because this is the long video and I keep talking on this and I know there is many mistakes, but please understand and let's practice together. And whatever the things I have learned I am saying on this video, and you can also speak like this and you can also make videos, because after making videos you will see your mistakes, and this is the good thing in making videos, and just do it. Okay, bye. I know this is the long video and I don't know who will watch or not, so whoever watch, who got to know that how to practice. Okay, bye.